Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. About s we can put into like this. So when s approaches to positive infinity, number 1 divided by positive infinity, this one you got number 0, sine of number 0 you got number 0, this one you got number 0. So we have 0 over 0, and we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one, if we do first derivative, we have negative 1 over s squared cosine of 1 over s. This one, we have negative 1 over s squared. And now we simplify, and we have cosine 1 over s. We know that s approaches to positive infinity. This one you got number 0, and we have number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.